$102,521. This is week 10 with daily investing. Alright guys, welcome back. As always, before we get started, I just want to welcome all the new viewers, all the subscribers. I release videos once a week, and that's on Saturdays at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So if you guys aren't already subscribed, consider subscribing to the channel, turning on the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest posts and our latest videos. Again, I'm not a licensed or trained professional. This was created for entertainment purposes only. Please refer to the disclaimer in the description for more information. The main focus of this portfolio is for dividend investing. Whether you're a seasoned trader or wondering how to begin dividend investing, these videos will track all my gains and losses done through the Robinhood trading app. I'm not affiliated with or sponsored by Robinhood, and if you don't already have a Robinhood trading account, feel free to use my link in the description below to get a free stock when you sign up. Good morning. It is Monday, first day of the trading week. Market just opened. It's 4 a.m. here. So we're exactly 1 week away from the Tesla stock split. So what I'm going to do, since it's the first day of the trading week, just like we did last time, I'm going to go ahead and fast forward this part as we watch the first 5 minutes of stock market open. So that was kind of a tough opening first 5 minutes for Tesla. I think pre-market was 21.29, and right now, the low is 19.27. So just to give you guys an idea, this is about the first 15 minutes, or this is what it looks like in the first 15 minutes of the stock market. Again, we're about 1 week away from Tesla's stock split. So again, this is going to be spiking all over the place. It's going to be very interesting to watch. But let's go ahead and add on to Portman Ridge. Now for Portman Ridge, I'm going to be working my way up to 50,000 shares and more by December 1st. So let's go ahead and add our 20 shares for the day. That's going to be 2330. All right, so we bought 20 more shares at an average cost of $1.17 per share for a total cost of $23.40, bringing our total position up to 80 shares. Here's a look at the dividend. Again, it's still pending, so it's a very good sign from Portman Ridge that they're still paying out their dividends, especially with everything going on. So we're going to continue to work on increasing our position here with Portman Ridge and continue to monitor Tesla through the week leading up to the stock split exactly 1 week from now on Monday. So how it's going to work is this Friday, the last day of the trading week, that's when they're going to do their split after the market closes. And then come Monday, the split will already have taken place. The prices will be adjusted, and then you can buy Tesla for the 5-to-1 price, whatever the price is at that time. So it's going to be an exciting week. I hope you guys stay tuned, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Happy Tuesday. It's the second day of the trading week. Not much big changes in the news so far. Let's take a look at our holdings. WPG, it's down to 68 cents. We're pretty much holding the bag on this one, so we'll just kind of monitor that. And they did announce that they might be doing a reverse stock split sometime in Q4, so we'll keep our eyes on that. In the meantime, as well as Tesla, looks like Tesla kind of stabilized around 2K. It's been kind of fluctuating between 2.1 and 2K, so it looks like it's stabilizing out. Again, we're about 3 days away from the stock split, so again, we'll be holding this until the stock split. And going over to Portman Ridge, as always, we're going to add 20 shares of Portman Ridge here. The goal is to get 50,000 shares by December, so we're working our way towards that. We currently have 100 shares at an average cost of $1.16. Again, if you guys remember, they announced their dividend for 6 cents per share. So that's what we're going to be working on for our next goal. we'll kind of just be monitoring until Friday and seeing what happens with that next biggest play. Also, Apple is going to be splitting, right? So let's just take a look at Apple real quick. Seems like it's trending down compared to yesterday, but they're also doing their stock split this week as well. So two exciting things to watch, and we'll be kind of monitoring that as the week goes by. Good morning. It is Wednesday, the third day of the trading week. So just a recap on all of our positions. Tesla is currently back on the upward trend here, trading at above 2100. Now, if you guys remember earlier in the week, it was kind of rough. It's going down between 1900 to 2000, but it's good to see that it's back up on the upward trend. We are a couple days from the stock split, so it's going to be interesting seeing how Tesla's price trends in the next couple of days. Taking a look at our next position, WPG. WPG is down 68 cents. I know we're holding the bag on this one, but the bag is getting kind of heavy. So we'll see, man. I don't know how much more long. Maybe if it drops to 65 cents, I might just have to completely pull out of this. But we'll see what happens. This one doesn't fluctuate too much, honestly, maybe 1 or 2 cents every week. So it's kind of a steady stock, but we'll see what happens. And moving on to PTMN, or Portman Ridge. This one we'll be working on at a 20 shares per day basis, which is about $20. So let's go ahead and make our purchase for 20 shares, and that's going to be $23.20. Again, the goal is to get 50,000 shares or more by December 1st. So that's going to bring our total position up to 120 shares at an average cost of $1.16. So that's our current holdings. I don't think I'll be adding anything else. The next biggest thing coming up is Tesla. So we'll just be monitoring that and seeing what happens after the stock split. Alright guys, happy Thursday. It is the fourth day of the trading week. So I finally decided this morning that I had to let the bag go on WPG. It just wasn't worth it for me to hold on to it anymore with all of the opportunity going on. So I ended up selling 10,000 shares at $68.5, so $6,850.22. What I ended up doing was that allowed me to buy 3 more shares of Tesla. So I went ahead and added to my position at Tesla 3 more shares for a total position of 26 shares. So we're kind of just building our position here. The stock split's going to happen tomorrow, Friday, after market close, and then we'll be able to trade it on Monday for the 5-to-1 price. So there's going to be a lot of action today, tomorrow, and definitely on Monday. So I wanted to put myself in the best position to get as much of the gains as possible. I forgot to mention my margin play that I'm going to probably do right here. I'm going to add half today and half tomorrow. But let's see, dollars. Let's go on 9 shares. Alright. We're going to add, again, this is high risk, guys. I would suggest not doing margin for beginners. Kind of just stay away from margin. But I'm gonna do a half today and half tomorrow, and just kind of monitor what happens. So go ahead right there, add it on there, and I'll add another half tomorrow. And I think for Portman Ridge, we'll go ahead and add our 20 shares per usual at $1.15 per share at an average cost, or estimated cost of $23.03. Again, today was kind of quick. You know, I was thinking last night what I wanted to do, what kind of plays I wanted to make today, and definitely getting rid of the WPG bag because it was just trending down like real bad. So I wanted to get out before we lost any more money and reposition myself to get as much gains, as much opportunity as possible. And as of right now, that stock is Tesla. So again, 2 more days, guys, and some big plays are gonna happen with Tesla. Good morning. It is Friday, the 5th day of the trading week. 3:57 a.m. right now. So one move that I made yesterday before market close was I pretty much added the rest of the margin, well, the majority of it. We now have 45 shares of Tesla, and now we just sit back and wait, because I used whatever reserves I had, and I also dipped into the margin. Again, I don't suggest doing margin. It's just a play that I'm willing to take the risk on with Tesla. So if you guys do margin, it'll actually show you a margin line that you have to maintain before, so you're not at risk for a margin call. I won't go into details about what all that means. If you guys are interested, there's a lot of information over the internet. So again, just do your due diligence. But this is our current look at our holdings with Tesla. We have 45 shares and an average cost of $2,049. Currently up today about $3,000. Our total return as of right now is about $10,000. Again, the split is going to take place after market close today, and then next week Monday, that's when we're going to be able to trade and see Tesla at its stock split price, at its 5-to-1 stock split price. So we won't be making any moves on Tesla. Again, we'll just be watching it. And coming in at Portman Ridge, again, we're just going to be doing our 20 shares irregular. So get 20 shares. Current market price is $1.21. This is an estimated cost of $24.20. So this is going to bring our average up maybe by a cent, maybe. Yeah, 117. So it went from 116 to 117 for a total shares of 160. Total return right now is $6.58, and today's return is $4.56. But again, we're not necessarily looking at our gains on the stock price. The main purpose of this stock is for its dividend. Also, Apple is also going to be doing their split after market today. Taking a look at their trend, they're kind of just steady. So this is one of your safe stocks, long-term stocks like this and Microsoft and all that. It's just a steady climb. So there's not going to be much action, not much volatility as much as Tesla. So if you guys are looking for a safe stock, this will probably be a good one. All right, guys. So market finally closed officially at 22.13. So the 5-to-1 split price on Monday will be $442.60. So we have 45 shares. That's gonna leave us with 225 shares come Monday. I'll probably be deciding what kind of game plan we'll have going into Monday, and I'll be working on it this weekend. We waited almost a month for this, and it's kind of crazy because this is my 10th video. So I started this 2.5 months ago with the intent of just kind of vlogging my plays, and it's turned into all of this. So it's really fun. I'm glad I got to vlog all of this, and it's only going to get better, guys. So again, thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you guys liked the video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you guys turn on that notification bell. If you guys haven't seen all my other videos, I have it all the way back until week 1, and the playlist is right here. Okay, so you guys have a good weekend. Get ready for some big Tesla plays. I'll see you guys next week.